If my goal is to get home early, then that's going to be my focus, and I may as well just stay home. Now, this is the story all about how this house got washed from inside out. So sit right back and learn for sure why they call me the Fresh Rinse and Pressure. Oh yeah, that's dope for sure. And a wonderful Monday morning to you. Mike here, the Fresh Rinse. It is October, late October, and it is cold. It is a balmy 42 degrees here in Monroe, Ohio, as I am finishing this huge factory wash. This is phase 3 of 3. Because of their budget, they have me doing this in segments, in phases. It's cold, so it works out great for this kind of video because I want to talk to you today about how to persevere through inclement weather and other competing interests, things that just get in the way of work and you just have to do it regardless. So don't go anywhere. This should be fun. So I'm just simply downstreaming this entire building just like I would a house wash, and then giving it a heavy rinse. This is my second time washing this complete exterior of this building. I think the first time was maybe 2 years ago, at the most 3 years ago. And over the last many years, I have washed for this factory a number of times. I am their official pressure washing vendor. They call me with a list of things to wash. I come by and wash and then send them a bill. They trust me to do a good job and they keep calling me to come back. So I take that to mean that they're happy with my work. So we're coming to that time of the year where perseverance is an absolute must, and finding excuses to call in sick, so to speak, become very, very easy. My coldest day this year back in March was 31, and I washed all day long and just persevered through it. It's easy to come up with excuses why you can stay in bed, why you can tend to other needs, but listen, if you own a business, if you own a pressure washing business or any type of exterior type of business, then it's incumbent upon you to stay focused, stay driven, and have the mindset that this is what you do for a living, and calling in sick is rarely an option. There's a dear lady in my life whose name is Teresa, and she is my personal intercessor, meaning that she prays for me every single day. She prays for safety, she prays for success, she prays that I can overcome sin in my life, all of those things. And today she is praying for sustainability in this cold weather. I'm very grateful for her. We need people like that in our lives. In fact, soon I'll be doing a video on the importance of wrapping healthy people around you, not just for pressure washing and small business ownership, but for daily living. So besides Teresa and the good Lord and all the prayer that goes into sustainability, what is my leading source of motivation and determination in these cold weather seasons? I'm going to give you that as a solid answer here in just a moment. Let me say real quickly, I am quite self-motivated. I always have been. I don't like to sit around. I like to be doing something. High energy, maybe ADHD, whatever, call it whatever. It has been a gift for me. I'm also a very early riser, so getting up early and making preparations for the day and going to work is just easy for me. I realize that isn't the case for everyone, So that needs to be taken in consideration. And don't assume that it just comes natural for everyone. Please know that. But being self-motivated helps. It doesn't help that this backside of this building makes like a wind tunnel, and it's quite nippy right now. Nippy would be an understatement. Woo! Oh, the wind's crazy. 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 Let's face it, we all have bills to pay. If there's no greater motivator to get up and go to work, it's the fact that my creditors, my bank, my mortgage, my car payment, all of those things are great factors in just getting me up to go to work. And here's the truth, my bank does not care what the weather is. I got to pay that bill. Okay, so I'm going to give you the number one reason that I stay motivated, and then I'm going to leave with what I hope is one final word of encouragement. Just so you know, I am only spraying water here. I see things like this, and I am not shooting SH. Just not going to do it. Not taking that chance. Although my contract with them would give me a lot of room legally, it doesn't make sense for me to take a chance. So water only around all of these electrical panels. Ooh, it's cold, baby. Cold this morning. When I say that this is my number one source of motivation, I'm speaking solely about the business. My family, my spiritual life, all of that supersedes what I'm about to tell you. So I've got to wash this entire building the length of this train, or most of it. So I've got to climb over the fence over here and work my way down that wind tunnel. That should be a lot of fun. My number one source of motivation is real simple. Oh gosh. Getting all over me. My number one source of motivation are the goals that I have set for myself personally. And I'm not only talking about financial goals. I have lots of goals, but I set daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly goals for myself. I have them written down, and I can check them off and add to them as time goes on. I love reaching my goals. So for example, I began this year with just over 100 5-star Google reviews. My goal was to get up to 200 5-star Google reviews. And right now, oh my gosh, I have just under 200. I plan to meet that goal by the end of this week. That's very motivating to me. Another goal that I set for myself was to increase the number of customers that I work for. In other words, to increase my portfolio. I generally wash right at 400 homes every year. And this year I set a goal of 500, which meant I had to work a lot more. And it looks like I will meet that goal, if not exceed that goal. Stop it. I set 2 financial goals for the year. One I called my reasonable goal, and then the other was my unreasonable goal. The reason I set 2 goals is because if I meet my reasonable goal without an unreasonable goal, then I'm likely to quit or just give up and feel accomplished, and that's it. No more motivation. It does appear that I will meet my reasonable goal, but maybe not my unreasonable goal. But I'm happy about that. My goals are kind of like the saddle that keeps me on the horse. If I don't have them, I'm likely to jump off or maybe even fall off. I love that this job as a pressure washer allows me certain luxuries. I do have a flexible schedule within reason. But I will tell you, yeah, I'm not washing all of that. If my goal is to get home early, then that's going to be my focus, and I may as well just stay home. But because I have goals that I want to achieve in life, then it's incumbent upon me to be singular focused within reason. Again, not forsaking my family. And all of this is just conversation revolving around the idea of being a business owner. My goal today was to complete this factory wash on schedule and to do it with a spirit of excellence. And I feel like I've done that. Now I can go home and sleep well tonight. If you enjoy this kind of video, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell tab if you'd like to be alerted to future videos. As for now, with Carlton, I am Mike, the Fresh Rinse, and we are out.